So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be playing Pirates Card. Wait guys, I'll see you when it loads because there's no internet. So guys, we can't play because there's no internet here. Wait. So guys, it turned out that I'm gonna be playing Fruit Ninja or Subway. What do you want? Fruit Ninja or Subway? Fruit Ninja? I wanna play Subway. What do you wanna play, Subway? So guys, we'll be playing Fruit Ninja. My nickname is Lisa. Sorry so much. Stop talking. Okay. Just don't mind it. Wait, guys. That's pretty loud, guys. That's pretty loud. So let's play my house goes 20 Wait, I wanna what's here? Game. I don't know what I'm playing. Woohoo! Did you see that? You saw that. You didn't see that. I don't want to lose here because I was gonna lose, but let's say no, and now I lost. Game over. You wanna play again or another level? I would say another level. Yes. Ooh, look. Hey. I don't wanna play here. I know, but like I don't know. Yes. Okay. So what the hell was that? Okay, look. I have played the banana, I have played the watermelon, but I haven't played, I think that's apple. My sister just too the worst level. I want to exit because I want to play Subway now. Shut up. So here we go. And look how I talk. Look at here. What? Yeah, I know my mom is so much. Wait, guys. Oh, I couldn't believe it. Wait. Yeah. It's the same speed. Or it's not the same speed if you put that. That zombie.
Yes.
No.
Look. A ninja.
I hate her. Then it. Let's see. Oh no. I'm a king. I'm a king of Norwood World.
How to make a robot?
No.
Yes, you
No, because I don't think. Look at my high score, look at my high score, look at my high score. Look how fast it is. Look, the characters are not about the fastness. They're about the coolness. Oh, come on. I can get every single coin. Oh no, oh no, oh no. That's a lot of Dun 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 no no no. No 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 no. So guys, when I lose, I will end this video. Okay, sorry guys. But guys, if you like that video, make sure wait. So guys, if you like that video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.